Okay, you guys, good morning. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I have my microphone picked on finally. I recorded this video earlier, so I already did an unboxing, but I don't think you could hear me really well. So I'm hoping with the mic that you can hear me much better. And so what I did was I got some of my plants kind of early. These are plants I ordered online through Proven Winners, and one is Wood Nursery. Let me see, Greenwood Nursery in Tennessee. And so these plants were supposed to come in October time frame, but they came kind of early. So we're gonna have to kind of leave these on the deck with the rest of them that came early. So this definitely came early. The Barzella was not supposed to come for at least another few weeks. It's got some big old buds on there, but I'm hoping it doesn't try to flower or anything until I actually get it in the ground. I need a huge pot, I think, and I'm gonna have to go pick up one, something huge that it can spread out its roots. But I think if I do that, then it's gonna want to flower. But I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. I just don't want anything to happen right now, since we're still in the heat of August, even though we've had a lot of rain here in North Carolina. And so the plants that I got here from Greenwood Nursery are some creeping phlox. I love creeping phlox, and the color on it is beautiful. They send you a little order sheet, and then the way they have these plants done is in these little puffy things, some little pops, and then they have it wrapped, and then they give you the plant label. And there's a color that I love. I always have had this color, emerald blue. And a lot of times they sell these. I usually can find these at Home Depot. But I really wanted to get some healthy ones, and I haven't seen any at Home Depot. So I was like, well, whenever they come in, I want some good healthy plants. And I thought they would come in next month. Yeah, they didn't. So another plant I got from Proven Winners is the Firelight Panicle Hydrangea. Okay, isn't that beautiful? And I've been seeing these a lot, and I really love the colors. I love that you can go from just a pale kind of white to this really hot pink reddish color. And so they package them in these big boxes. And so the size when it comes in is right there, so the plant doesn't even move inside of there. And that depends on, of course, the size of the pot. The box, of course, will be bigger, but this is on both sides of it, so that you have no movement and your plant is not getting jostled around mid-transit. So I love that. The other one I got from Proven Winners is the Little Quickfire. So I'm going to have a lot of hot colors up front. None of these will be going in the backyard. I can't think of any plants that I want to put in the backyard except for maybe some hosta. As you know, I have to completely move some plants. I have to move a Japanese maple. Luckily, it's very small. It's through those plants somewhere, and it needs to come up because my husband, of course, he has a trailer back here. So I think I'm going to have to move that because I just don't want anybody to roll over it. And plus, we're getting ready to have a lot of construction, so I hope they don't land on these plants today, because if they do, I'm going to be really mad. But anyway, those are the few plants I just wanted to show you, and that sometimes plants don't come when you think they're going to come. I think because I'm in the South that they figure it's safe to go ahead and send these plants because we really don't have a fall. We have a little bit of a winter, but winter lasts maybe 6 to 8 weeks, and then that's it. So again, I just wanted to show you those little plants and see how plants come in packaging. I don't order from a lot of different places, so I'm not going to get a lot of different packaging. I know what packaging I'm getting when I order from Proven Winners, when I get Monrovia plants through a different wholesaler, or Jackson and Perkins, and some of the bigger companies. Some of the smaller companies, you're not going to get great packaging. I've literally gotten stuff in a package with plastic around it. So just be careful when you're ordering, and realize sometimes you get things just a little bit early. Okay, and that was just a quick video. If you guys have any questions or concerns or anything, just let me know. Bye-bye.